Letgo is awesome. It's your ultimate selling sidekick, designed to make the process of selling your items as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Whether you're looking to declutter your home or make some extra cash, Letgo is here to help. It helps you sell your stuff. It's easy and fast. Just snap a photo, add a description, and you're ready to go. The app is user-friendly and intuitive, making it accessible for everyone, even if you're not tech-savvy. Make money and clear clutter. Imagine turning those unused items into cash, all while creating more space in your home. It's a win-win situation. Letgo connects you with buyers near you. No need to worry about shipping or long-distance transactions. You can meet up with local buyers and sellers, making the process even more convenient and secure. Selling on Letgo is simple. List your item, provide a detailed description, and set your price. The more information you provide, the better your chances of making a quick sale. Chat with buyers, negotiate prices, and finalize the deal. The in-app messaging system makes communication easy and efficient, ensuring a smooth transaction every time. Letgo is popular so your items get seen. With a large and active user base, your listings are more likely to attract potential buyers quickly. The app's algorithm also helps boost visibility for new listings. Join the Letgo community today. Be part of a vibrant community of buyers and sellers who are making the most out of their unused items. Download Letgo now and start selling with ease and confidence. Great listings sell fast. When you create a listing, you want to make sure it stands out. The more appealing your listing, the quicker it will sell. Take clear photos of your item. Clear photos help buyers see exactly what they're getting. Make sure the photos are high quality and show the item in its best light. Show it from different angles. Good lighting is important. Write a good description. Multiple angles give buyers a complete view of the item. Good lighting makes the item look more attractive. A detailed description helps buyers understand the item's features and condition. Be honest about the condition. Mention any flaws. Honesty builds trust with buyers. If there are any flaws or defects, make sure to highlight them in your listing. This way, buyers know exactly what to expect. Use keywords so buyers can find it. Keywords are crucial for searchability. Think about what words buyers might use to search for your item and include those in your listing. This will help your item appear in search results and attract more potential buyers. Check prices for similar items. Be competitive with your price. You can always negotiate later. Be open to offers from buyers. You might get your asking price. If not, don't be afraid to counter-offer. Section 4. Talk it out. Communication is key. Be responsive to messages. Answer questions politely. Be friendly and helpful. Agree on a meeting place and time. Public places are best. Let someone know where you're going. Section 5. Safety first. Smart selling tips. When selling items, especially to strangers, it's crucial to prioritize your safety. Here are some essential tips to ensure a secure transaction. Always arrange to meet buyers in a public place. Busy locations like coffee shops, parks, or shopping malls are ideal. These places have plenty of people around, which can deter any potential wrongdoers. Never go alone to these meetings. Bring a friend along for added safety. Having someone with you can provide an extra layer of security and peace of mind. When handling cash, count it carefully and ensure it's the correct amount before handing over the item. Always be aware of your surroundings. Look around and stay alert. Trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Your intuition is a powerful tool in keeping you safe. If at any point you feel uncomfortable or sense that something is off, don't hesitate to walk away. Your safety is more important than making a sale. Trust your gut and prioritize your well-being above all else.